As someone who spends thousands of dollars every year on spa treatments, I figured why don't we save some money this year in 2026 and bring the spa home to us? So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all of the items that I have in my at-home spa. Starting with my Microdermabrasion machine, if you know, these treatments can cost anywhere from $100 to $200 per session. And for only $75, I was able to get this machine on Amazon. It comes with all the hoses, all of the attachments, even the spray bottles. Next, I have a facial steaming machine that I got from TikTok Shop. It also came with this Microderm. This is like a mini Microderm, a mini version of this. It's a handheld Microdermabrasion machine that can be used maybe once or twice weekly. I'll talk more in depth about all of these machines and what they do in later videos. Next, I have my centrifugal machine. This is to separate your blood when you are doing microneedling, which is the next machine that I have here. This is a Dr. Penn M8S. And again, if you know, if you're somebody that spends a lot of time in the spa, you know that microneedling appointments can range anywhere from $500 to $1,200 per session. The next thing I have here is an ultrasound cavitation machine. It has attachments not only for the body, but also for the face as well. Cavitation treatments range anywhere from $100 to $200 per session. Next, I have here my wood therapy. Wood therapy can range anywhere from $50 to $100 per session. So I do this twice a week. So you do the math on that. You guys, all of these services add up. And for just the cost of pretty much one of these larger services, I was able to get all of these machines and train myself to do these things at home. Next here, I have my body brushing. I have a hard bristle brush, and this is the hard bristle. This is the soft bristle brush. Next, I have a LED face mask. I have my foot bath, my foot spa, and I also have a vibration plate. The only thing that is missing here, which I have on the way, is an at-home sauna. But I do not recommend investing in these products if you do not know what they are, how they work. I will be sharing videos on how they work. And I also have the instruction manuals for all of these items. But I highly recommend that you seek a professional esthetician or an RN or somebody that is specifically trained in how to use all of these, even a nail tech. Oh, and speaking of nails, I forgot to share, I also have like a nail drill as well. And there's more that I'll be adding to this spa. But again, you guys, like, why are we paying other people for stuff that we are going to not only spend money on? Like, if you're going to be doing this to your body, you might as well become educated in what you're doing. So for me, that is what I've done over the last few months, and I've invested in this for myself. But yeah, I will definitely be making more videos as to each individual item, what it is and what it does. So yeah, thanks for watching.